Hey everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. So today we're going to go out to the shack, the Rshack testing facility. We're going to fire up that Blackstone again, and we're going to do another cook on it. So right now it's getting that time of year, starting to fill the pool. It'll take it about 3 days to get up to the level that I need it at, but we're getting her going. Let's get out to the shack. Ready to guess what we got going on tonight? You can tell by the O'Brien potatoes, the eggs, and some T-bones. We're doing what I would call breakfast for dinner. And we're gonna do this all up on the Blackstone. All we're gonna season all this with is just black pepper and salt. Let's get that Blackstone lit and get it up to temp, and we'll go from there. So we're going to turn both of these down on low so that we don't get it too hot. We got the O'Briens are going to go on here, and the steaks and the eggs. So what I got some of my favorite. We're just going to use Crisco tonight. Put some Crisco on here, like so. And we'll let that start to get heated up. If we need to, we can add more. We'll let that get heated up, and we'll get over and get the eggs and everything else ready. Get the O'Briens opened up and go from there. These are frozen, so let's just put some over here. Okay. Already smelling so good, and I just opened them. Wow. So most of this cooking is going to be doing with the lid open. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take these steaks, put them over here. Take a little bit of salt. Get it on these steaks. And the potatoes. A little bit of black pepper. Smelling so good. Get our potatoes kind of mixed up again. Spread them out. I have my little egg ring here, and all I'm doing is I'm just taking some of that Crisco and wiping the inside ring on it. So that'll help it make so the eggs don't stick to it so bad. Put that out of the way for a minute. Like I said, I have both of these like on just a little bit above low. We're just letting it do its thing. See how those steaks are looking? Oh, look at that. Get this side seasoned up a little bit. See how those hash browns are doing? Ooh. I'll have to switch over to the spatula. I'll get a little warm. These over a little bit, like so. I'm going to set that like right there. Use my reach. What I really like about this ring, you can see it's not allowing the egg to escape. Get some black pepper on them. There. And yet it's going to cook them. As long as I don't bump them, we'll be good. Salt on them. See how the hash browns are doing? Starting to brown up. Pretty impressive, huh? Steaks are just about done. A little more done. So this first plate is going to be for my wife, and then I will come back and dish mine up and do my eggs and all that good stuff. So, see how these eggs look? Oh, perfect. Hash browns, put them over there. How's that for a meal? Okay, let's get my egg done. I put a little more Crisco on here. Get that lubed up a bit. Get our egg. I think I got this at Winco of all places, I think. If you don't have a Winco, you probably could find it on Amazon. It's a little bigger in diameter than the one that you can get from Blackstone. That's why I like this one. Those eggs on there. Oh, look at that. Isn't that perfect? Isn't that just perfect? Makes me happy. Now, we're going to steam my eggs like we did on the other ones. All I'm doing here is I've got my Blackstone lid, right? And all I'm doing is taking some water, pouring it around it, so it creates that steam up underneath there. And that's happening. Let's go ahead and take our hash browns. Put them here on the plate. The only thing I'm missing, I wish I had some orange juice actually. Orange juice would have topped this off. Okay. Oh yeah. So there we got our hash browns on the plate. Make room for our steak. It's definitely done now. Put our steak on there. Oh yeah. Let's check those eggs. They should be done too. Oh, look at that. Yeah, maybe a hair overdone, since I'm not going to get any runny yolk on it. How was that? Doesn't that look good? Alright, here's our steak, T-bone steak, eggs, and hash browns. Let's get us a chunk of this steak and have a bite of it. It smells so good. A little over than, it's more like a medium steak, but that's okay. Get some egg. The eggs are a little more done than what I like, but I wanted to make sure the wife got hers, so you know, it is what it is. But we're going to take a bite of egg and a bite of steak. Doesn't that look good? Steak is so good. That's all you need, salt and pepper. That is dynamite. You saw how I did that. I put the Blackstone on a little over low. It's like low medium if you want to call it. And then I got those hash browns going. I haven't tried them. Let's try those hash browns. Yep. That's a winner. Yeah. This is awesome. Anyhow, I put the hash browns on, kind of got them going a couple minutes. And kind of worked them around a little bit. Then I put the steaks on, let them just kind of sit there, season them just with salt and pepper. That's all I did on everything. Use my really cool egg ring. I said I think I got this at Winco. At least that's what the label says. Round egg ring, 5-inch. That's what it says, 5-inch. Wow. I like it because you can put 2 eggs in it, and it works. Honestly, I think it works better than the Blackstone ones. but you might be able to find this on Amazon. 5 inches what the diameter of that is. Put those 2 eggs in it, seasoned, salt and pepper. Then I used the Blackstone lid dome, I guess you'd call it a dome, the Blackstone dome, to kind of steam those eggs. My wife's, they came out perfect. I probably let these ones go too long for what I like. I like a nice runny egg. These aren't runny at all, but they are perfectly done. Everything cooked at that low medium and came out perfect. So, like I always say, thank you for watching. You can do this too. Really not that hard. Until next time, my friends, grill on.